Hi, everybody. My name is Tyler Ramos, and I'm the site coordinator for Legacy High School in Kennewick, Washington. Today, I have with me a few other site coordinators, and I would like to introduce them before we get started. So I have with me.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lupe Carrillo, and I'm the site coordinator at Washington Elementary.
Hi, everybody. My name is Athena Miranda, and I'm the site coordinator at Highlands Middle School.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lindy, and I am the site coordinator at Phoenix High School.
And I'm Carla Short, and I'm the site coordinator for Jason Lee Elementary.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leanna Wright, and I'm site coordinator at Marcus Whitman Elementary.
Thank you all for joining. Today, we are going to be discussing mental health during this time of COVID-19. It's been a stressor for all of us, and I'm sure we all had different experiences with this. And so we're going to touch some topics. Getting things started, I think Lupe is going to jump into it.
During this time, it's important to think of ourselves and care for ourselves as a child. We naturally, as human beings, want to protect little things and children. So it's important when we talk to ourselves to use kind words and also to not focus on judging ourselves on what we're not doing right, and to also remember to give ourselves encouragement to make it through the days, and especially on the hard days.
So we know that there are a lot of reasons that you guys might feel worried or concerned about what's going on around you. You might have a new role of taking care of your siblings, maybe your family members. You might be scared of being sick or getting your loved one sick. You might be worried that your family might not find the supplies that they need at the grocery stores, or you might be stressed just about work and the uncertain future. That's okay. We want to remind you that all of these concerns are understandable, and it's completely okay to feel the way you're feeling. Your feelings, whether they're good or bad, are all valid.
So with so many things out of our control, let's talk about the things we can control. As far as your mind and your body are concerned, you can control keeping a healthy diet, exercising at home, being able to get enough sleep, and most importantly, taking care of your mental health. You can also control things that are in your immediate environment, like keeping your house clean, keeping your room clean, working from home if you're able to do so. You can control what you are consuming as far as what you're watching on the news or being on Facebook or on the social medias, watching TV or on the radio and what you're listening to. You can control how you prepare for something like this, making sure that you have enough things on hand, not only for your basic needs, but for your mental health as well. Also, control how you protect yourself. Washing your hands for 20 seconds. Using hand sanitizer, if it has 60% alcohol value in it, is a good thing to do. Be careful not to shake hands, kiss, or hug anyone. And if you need to be around somebody, making sure that you're keeping a distance of 6 feet. Lastly, you can protect others.
So we know during this time, everybody's anxiety has ramped up. Some of the anxiety can come out in the persons. You can have, it can affect you physically, it can affect you mentally. So we urge you to really just take time to care for yourselves. And so some signs of anxiety that you might be noticing is you have an awful lot of worry, and you're concerned about what is happening not only within your own homes, but within your community. Like I said, it can affect you physically. You can have stomach aches, headaches, anything along those lines. Make sure to take care of yourselves. You can have trouble with concentrating, thinking clearly. It's just a crazy time in the world right now, and we understand that. You might even see that it affects your heart rate. Your heart rate could go up. You can have something along an anxiety attack. So remember to practice some deep breathing techniques. You can have difficulty with your sleeping habits. You might want to end up sleeping all day, but try to keep yourselves on a schedule. Irritability and restlessness is also something that is very common for people with anxiety. So just remember to find some coping mechanisms that help you keep that anxiety at a doable level. Make sure you are number one during this time. If you're not, then you can't help others.
So some ways to manage those anxieties while still practicing social distancing. Here are a few. You can ask someone to be your trusted support buddy by text, phone, FaceTime, or Zoom. You can stay connected to your people. You can get creative and create your own exercise routine at home. Be intentional with your time. Take breaks from your schoolwork or your work from home. Watch a funny YouTube video. Or maybe you even have a new hobby you've always wanted to try but have never had the time. Another option is using a mindfulness app or focus on a positive thing in your day you look forward to.
Getting resources and help. Below, we have listed some important numbers where you can receive help. I think one of the most important things that you can do is share when you're not feeling well with a trusted adult, your parents, your site coordinator. We're all valuable resources. And I want to thank everybody and thank you for tuning in.